Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will discuss about US President Donald Trump. Actually, Donald Trump has been nominated for Nobel Peace Prize 2021 for his role in brokering a deal between Israel and United Arab Emirates. Now you are thinking most probably that why Trump has been nominated for this prestigious award. So for that, let me tell you that this nomination was submitted by Christian Tybring-Gjedde, which is a Norwegian parliamentarian, and they have submitted it to the NATO Parliamentary Assembly. And NATO, as you all know, that it is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So the Norwegian parliamentarian has submitted this nomination in favor of Donald Trump, because as you know that recently Donald Trump has played an important role in brokering a peace deal between Israel and United Arab Emirates. And now, according to the Norwegian parliamentarian Christian Tybring-Gjedde, which is a Norwegian parliamentarian, they are saying no matter how Trump acts at home and what he says at press conference, he has absolutely a chance at getting the Nobel Peace Prize. They are saying, the Norwegian parliamentarian. And here let me tell you one more fact, and that is, if you are thinking who can nominate for this award, so for that let me tell you that all the nominations from heads of state or politicians serving at national level are accepted. And apart from that, university professors, directors of foreign policy institutes, past recipient of Nobel Peace Prize, and members of the, and here is more important, and that is members of the Norwegian Nobel Committee, they can also submit a nomination for this Nobel Peace Prize. And all the nominations have to submit within 1st February. And here you should know that for the 2020 to 2020 Nobel Peace Prize, there were 318 candidates. So let me clarify all your doubts, actually, most probably, which you are thinking right now. So let me clarify that. So now most probably you are thinking what happens after the nomination. So after nominations are submitted, the recipient is selected by a 5-person Nobel committee, which is appointed by the Norwegian parliament, and the result they publish in the month of October or November. And now one more interesting fact, and that is, this is not the first time that Donald Trump has been nominated. So Trump has been nominated for Nobel Peace Prize earlier also. Yes, you have heard right. So it was in 2018 it was in 2018, and by the same parliamentarian, by the same Norwegian parliamentarian who have selected basically Donald Trump for this Nobel Peace Prize. And that time the reason was that Trump's efforts to bring reconciliation to North and South Korea. And this time the reason was between Israel and UAE, United Arab Emirates. He was trying to broker that thing. So now, so this is the second time that he has been nominated. Before Donald Trump, 4 US presidents, they have already received Nobel Peace Prize. And if suppose if in 2021 Trump receives this award, so he will be the 5th US president to receive this prestigious award. So this was it all about. So Donald Trump has been nominated for the second time by the Norwegian parliamentarian, and this time for the reason is that for his role in brokering the peace between Israel and UAE, because there was never a good relationship between Israel and UAE. So this was it all about. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.